nation, rules the nation with version. You heard, man. You heard, man. Bidi bye bye bye, bidi bye bye bye. Bidi bye bye bye, bidi bye 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 bye.
Tēnā tātou ko Majic Takuingoa no te kaitokero whānui a hau, ko te au pauri, ko ngā puhi, ko ngā tīwhātua ngā iwi. He mihi aroha tēnei kia koutou katoa e whakarongo mai ana. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā rā tātou katoa. The name of the waiata that I'm wanting to show you how to sing and play is Te Pū. It's an old tūhoi karakia that my dad Majic Paora wrote the rangi to, wrote the melody to. The second part of the waiata, ko te ngako o te kākano, was written by Tāmati Patuwai and a friend of his for a play that was written when I was about 12 years old. It's an intergenerational waiata. I am aware that there are a few other versions out there, however this is one. I like to write songs based off melodies. It's also helpful to have a framework, not always in this order, but for example, intro, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, bridge, chorus, outro, etc. It's always good to remember that when you have writer's block, in one paragraph or one verse, to make a paragraph, you only need 4 lines, 4 sentences. So that's always cool to remember. I just wanted to point out that I say ki ngā tangata Māori, representing us Māori, and I also say ki ngā tangata taketake, the word taketake meaning indigenous peoples, to represent all indigenous people all around the world. Time is precious, time is not to be wasted. Be kind, be humble, always be true to yourself, be true to others, be genuine.
Rules the nation with version. You heard, man. You heard, man.